Hello class, Wolstenite here. This is week 2's overview of Java 1. Just gonna go right into my application that I made this week. It's a weather application. First off, you'll enter in your zip code into the form field and select one of your locations. This being information coming from a JSON file, it's all in there. It's in the JSON file made up already, so it's not like it's pulling real data from somewhere, like your particular zip code in your area. But to give you an example, my zip code here, clicking the go button in the Summerlin area, I just picked some cities around me, so it would display the humidity, the temperature, the direction of the wind, and miles per hour of the wind with, and then at the bottom taking that and putting it at the bottom of your location is the zip code you put in, for an example here. So we have humidity 106, temperature 90, wind speed 10, wind direction northeast, and it pulled your zip code from here down into this section here. I got a little confused. I was actually looking over this and I noticed that I was confusing this humidity with the temperature, and I think I went back and I said, oh no, that's actually the humidity, not the temperature, but I actually forgot to change it. So 90 degrees Fahrenheit at 106 humidity would probably be pretty deadly. So here's Henderson. It just changes a little bit, not much difference, but it's pulling data from the JSON. And then Vegas for the last one. So that's basically my application is. I hope to take this application to the next step using a weather API and actually pulling data from the zip code that you're currently at, in case you're over in California. Then it'd display everything that I have, but it'll be real data coming in. So that's my application so far. Now let's take a look at behind the scenes. Alright, just let me get this out of the way here. And this. Alright, let's start with the JSON object here, or my JSON file, which has my object of weather. So I have my humidity, my temperature, the wind direction, wind speed, and this reads the JSON when it's called from when the button is clicked, the listener is clicked on to get the JSON data from whatever radio button that you clicked on here. I had to add in this dismiss the keyboard here because I do believe it was either, I think it was maybe wind speed or direction. Maybe both of them are covered up by the keyboard, so I had to get it out of the way so you could display it. Oh yeah, I know what it was. It was the zip code was getting covered up and the wind speed was getting covered up from the keyboard. So I added this in there so it'd take it out of the way. Let's see what else here. It's my enum for the data that the JSON is putting into the view. So here I set up the humidity, my temperature, which I had gotten confused and didn't fix, So, and then I have my direction of speed and wind direction and speed of the wind. Yeah, so like I was saying, everything went pretty well this week. I only had one little hiccup, and that was the keyboard getting in the way. And I actually twisted my brain around last week of how to do that. But knowing last week's issue fixed this week's issue as well. And my target audience for my application would be any everyday people young or old, that want to check the weather before heading out, or just checking the weather in their area or someone else's area. So this is Wilsonite again. Thanks for watching, and this is me going over my week 2's Java 1 class. Thanks.